Here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
Bro, look at his boots, nigga.
Try out running.
Bro, this nigga runs slow as hell. What's up, YouTube boys? Your boy Zay Bizarre back with another vid. Ratchet and Clank, man, a pass from the blast, bro. This is one of the oldest games that I could probably remember since I was a youngin'. You know what I'm saying? A young Slimezowski. Perfect for rookies. I'm an OG, like I'm a vet, like, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna do it hard. We can always switch. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that type of guy, but something different. I know you see the headphones. Took them from my brother. Freaking punk.
Open up on 7.
Open it up.
Move it out, Shiv.
Oh yeah. Hero, huh?
Identifying prisoner 117. Shiv.
Oh, look at this nigga. What's this nigga?
You think you can break me, copper? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that will make your bolts rattle. The eternity pits of sword doom. The iron holding no balance.
Ooh. Hey. Bro. Shout out to whoever.
Greetings, new fish. I'm
Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you.
Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed my many adventures?
Of course I have. You're the most famous
this
superhero
nigga,
in the galaxy.
You seen them
He
boots?
ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax.
Oh, I thought they made like a
you
reference
must mean
towards the
holo
game,
film.
like
yeah,
actually.
it's
I don't
pretty
know.
good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
Bro, look at his boots, nigga.
They're making a game based on a holofilm based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side.
I'd like to hear your side, Captain.
You would? Well, then
Bro,
sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named
I don't remember
Ratchet.
none of this. I don't know what game I was playing. I could have sworn it was Ratchet and Clank, bro. That nigga. That's from the other game, right? Oh hell no. No, that's bro.
Where do you think you're going?
Bro, I'm tweaking, bro. I'm finna.
You're
I don't know
here.
the name of it, but I'm gonna
thought
put
you'd
the
be down at
picture
the
of
bazaar
him.
shopping
I'm
for
tweaking.
gravity
I got
coils.
these two niggas kind of
Well,
mixed
I'm
up.
here.
That's me. That's
I'm
me.
always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour.
Crash
Come on,
Bandicoot.
Grim.
That's
This
what
is
it
the
is.
Galactic Rangers
That's what I
we're
remember
talking
playing.
about.
I
Captain
may have
Quark
played
will be
this, but
there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship.
I
Now
could
get
have
on
sworn
that
this
boat,
was like
Frank.
a duo type game. That's why I remember playing it. Like somebody can play as him and somebody can play as the robot.
Does that ship
Maybe
look
I'm tweaking.
mag-lifted to you? Get on that bolt crank. Come on.
Hey! Oh!
Hey,
So they got double jump. What I was supposed to be doing?
Look at this thing. Avionics fried. CPU fried. Even the gosh darn gravity coils fried.
Hey, this game was free, my guy.
Okay,
You know what
let's
I'm
see
saying?
if these new Versa bulbs work.
We gonna be playing something else.
You
Chill.
see something flashing?
yep. Left
Yeah.
side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights. Look down. You see
What's
something?
on the afterburner lights?
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more to the right.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are
This
being
the
held at
whip?
the fairgrounds. Show them what you got, kid.
Oh, say what?
Look at the world. I've never played this game. Alright, unless it was the old one. I don't. I mean, this is an old one. Nigga didn't tell us where he's supposed to be going.
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
I did play this, bro, cause it was like an announcer that said everything. I guess that's like the way of him being the freaking introduction.
Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition
Like a tutorial of jumping. Oh, you could slam on the ground. Nice.
Ratchet knew he faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
Bro,
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
It healed 3 out of 5. Dang, bro. Oh, okay. We jump across here.
Hey.
Oh, can we break this?
The Lombax displayed a
Gonna
flagrant
say it,
disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
Maybe he was just saving up bolts so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Bro.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Oh, okay. I see what they did there. We can get a new weapon. Bro. That was funny, bro. Oh, this is easy though. Like, is this hard?
Forged ahead. His destination.
I don't know. This music is all like intense. What's going on? Who is that talking?
I spy another contestant. Good luck, future ranger.
Hello, recruits.
Bro, this look like I'm finna have to battle
Show us how
somebody or
quick you can
something.
be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles.
Hey, we already on it. We already on it.
Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course.
It's a course?
A good ranger is always mindful of their
Watch
surroundings.
this.
Hop across
Ah.
these moving platforms.
Oh!
Good job.
I'm too
You
clean!
could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to
You
the
are.
next part of the course.
Did you see me at the event?
Hey there, recruit. I'm Brax Lectress, and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates.
Hey. We already on it. Oh, they came back?
Keep
Oh.
moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor.
Ooh, my boy Boots on 10. Boots on 10. Hold on, look. What they thought this was? It's your boy Pooh Shiesty. And look, I'm a fox playing the ox. Look at my. I ain't finna even say it. I'ma go Super Saiyan. These boys know I ain't playing. I'm not a rapper though. I'm Chance the Rapper though.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Look. Hey, I don't. Hey.
Good choice.
I don't wanna hold y'all, man. I get
Next
churned.
step, blow stuff up.
Oh, I was like, bro, he just throw them rapidly? Oh, let me blow this up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh! Hey, hold up. Watch this. Backflip? Stop playing with me.
Nice.
Bro, I'm messing with this game. I've never played this game, bro. I'm cap. I never played this, bro. Unless it's the old, and I have to look it up when I'm editing. But that's easy. Why I feel like it hit me though? Oh, maybe it's just like that. I like that. Okay. I only got 2 more. Oh, this is easy. Oh, I got hit. I got 10 HP. I'm wasting the. Oh, you get them back. Okay. So do I can't hit that. Ugh. But I wish it was like a dodge or something. You know what I'm saying? Like so I can get. You know what I'm saying?
In order to
8 out of 8. What did you think?
Good job, recruit. You may just be the next Galactic Ranger.
Thanks.
it's time for the final
It's easy. I like got jumped into this and I didn't even know. I didn't know this was what we were doing. Like we just came from what, building something? What am I doing? Oh.
One down.
Come on, man. Come on, bro. I mean, you know how it is. I ain't mean to do it to him.
Looks like some angry toads.
I ain't mean to do it to him.
Could we be looking at Solana's
Stop
next
playing with me.
Galactic Ranger?
Ratchet level up. Defeat enemies to increase your maximum health. They said this on hard. Come on, bro. Stop playing with me, man. I'm not one of them. Okay, I thought somebody was on me. Simple. Hey, you know, back in like I don't know what year it was,
Good job, cadet. Come see
But-
me after the show.
Black Ops 2, when we used to throw the grenades across the freaking
That
map.
wasn't so bad.
That was me.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No more.
Recording resumed. That's gay. Hey, pause. It was a nice cutscene, bro. I was weak. That big green fat dude that we seen earlier. Well, you probably didn't see that one either. All we playing is Clank. Playing as my boy Clank. Bro, hey, we gonna have to tee up on this game. I'm not gonna cap. I've never played the game before, bro.
I know you
But it's for
will
free.
find the
It's for the
demon.
free. And he got them hands. He got them elastic hands. Come on.
Defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path.
This nigga commentating on everything I do.
The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him.
Hold on,
He
wait.
knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity. The hopeless
Yep,
defect had to
he
throw a
kissed those.
spring bot.
Hold on.
But where? And how?
Wait, is he like coming after me? Oh, okay. Let me just get up here. Oh, I need that to get up there. Yeah, I seen that grenade. But... Oh, you pick it up. What? Oh, alright. Yes, sir. Throw that thing in I was gonna say, bro, they paused my gameplay one more time. Oh, we gone.
There you are.
Oh my.
Quit your running, you useless
Whoa.
piece of scrap.
Bro, you running kind of slow. Oh yeah, we dodged those. Do the ultra instinct music. I was supposed to slide. How do you die? Oh, okay. We on it. Well, psych.
Get
thought-
back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot.
I can't slide. I can't slide on them. Alright, we good. Oh, stop. Oh, just run. Oh, give me that. Oh, I should have picked up a second one. Bro.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power bot. This device could power up a variety of machines.
Oh, my
Where
boy
should
got
he
it.
throw it?
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv.
Bro,
I
who
pride
is-
myself on my penchant
Oh, you
for
throw it there.
storytelling.
Okay, that's okay.
What
That's
seems
kinda
to be
cool.
the
That's kinda
problem, Victor?
cool. Get on this.
You
Jump
won't
right
get away
there.
from me, Chairman. I've got him right where I want him.
Oh no, we're supposed to go over there. So, bro, you don't got double jump? So, how, can I just put this down real quick? Pick this up. Yup. Alright, wait. Pick it up. Drop it right there. Yes, sir, we get the grenade. Oh, come on, baby. I can't just break this. Bro, that's not what I wanted to do. I want the, bro, how do you... Yeah, you hit it with... Okay, I got an extra one anyways. Or was I supposed to put him over here? Oh man. Let me get this. Wow. Bro, I'm gonna need you to shut up. I'm trying to figure something out. Alright? Okay. So we was on it. So we just gonna slide back over here. Pick that up. Bounce. Yup. We in there like Linware. Oh, we gotta. Yep, he finna pop out. Yep, he finna pop out.
From me?
I wish I could slide.
That brute again.
Bro, he slowed down when he about to shoot. Just run, bro. Yep. We on that. I can't slide, though. That'd have been a perfect time to slide. Using all of my buttons.
Get back here, you miserable defect.
Hey, bro. We got hit. We good. You can't, bro. You can't hit me. He not hitting me again. I know everything. Alright, I don't know that. Bro, why did I stop? Oh, this nigga got it. No!
You apart. Sprocket
Hold on.
by sprocket.
I'm on that. I told you, bro, you was only hitting me one time. We jumping for our lives. Ah! Alright, bro, this the real thing, bro. That was just a test run.
From me?
Not
Psych.
brute again.
Stop playing with him. Be over those. Wait. Yep. Woo! Alright. We good. Nope. Bro only got 5 health. Nope, we on that. Stop playing with me. I'm too crucial.
Try outrunning.
Bro, this nigga runs slow as hell. Alright, we threw the fire. We threw the storm.
You apart. Sprocket by sprocket.
Alright, we good. Alright, this the part. It's the part. I don't know what the freak he doing. He do like this lightsaber.
Water.
Word. Take that. But I want to throw one at him. Yep, that'll hold him.
A million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he leave the proto-engine on in the garage? The answer to all these questions was yes.
I'm feeling this announcement, bro.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
What is this for? You can't do nothing with those. All right. For sure we get these. Yes, sir. We need those. Wait, can we build a weapon? Yo, this beat again, bro. It's not me. It's not me doing it. I didn't ask. It's not the same beat though. Ratchet and Clank. Yo, girl, she stank. She wanted to text me and I left with a blank. No comment. She ugly, I vomit. No drama. I move like Sonic. I ain't talking Hedgehog. She gave me. Hey, look. And it's like some Caribbean, I don't know, like Jamaican coastal. Okay, what is this? Slingshot. We got a slingshot. We got a slim shot. Alright, all we got is a fusion grenade. Ooh. Looks like we're gonna have a little selection here. Extra. Cheats. Game speed? I think infinite ammo. Invincibility? Nah, bro. We gonna play the game right, bro. Back then, though, you know, Lego, Marvel, Lego Star Wars. Yeah. Nah, give me them cheats, baby. That double times on them Lego coins. Yes, sir. I feel like I gotta pick them up or something. What is that? Oh, so now we just gotta swing back and forth. I think I was supposed to jump though. Oh, this is nice. Gain that
Fortunately
speed.
for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
New weapon.
A combustor.
Ratchet basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Yep, you already know that. Yep, switch to that buster, boy. Quickly switch. Okay.
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
My sensors indicate there is a switch across the way that can be activated with a combustor shot.
Yeah, nigga, I don't have ammo. Alright. Alright. All I got is 9. I got 9 bullets. I gotta conserve these. I didn't think I said that word right. Oh, we just sitting here farming. Yeah, we gonna chill right here real quick. Just gotta wait a little bit. Yeah, don't stand too close to me. Come on. Yes, sir. Nah, we need that extra bullet, bro. You know what I'm saying? Life or death. We're gonna need that. Oh. I'm just wasting bullets right now, bro. I didn't know I can do that, though. Okay, that's coming in handy. Yes, sir. So you quickly switch through here. Alright. Okay, can't hit those. I was just dodging, bro, bullets without even knowing.
Oh, Blarg.
Hold on, wait.
Here? I have information in my data banks that poses a threat to Chairman
Bro,
Clank.
the hell?
Track my position to your point so he could get it back.
Kill me!
In a bad way, hurt, confused, and alone, Ratchet had to think fast. Perhaps the hook shot would solve his current conundrum.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage
Bro,
door
I'm
and then
learning.
head down into the shelter.
This is so
I'll be there
much
as soon as I
right
can.
now.
Copy that, Ratchet.
Bro, we're about to die. Move out my way. Hold on, can I jump? Oh, trick shot. Trick shot. Trick shot.
Yes.
Ah. Alright, hold on, wait. Bro, where are healables at? Stop playing with me, bro. I'm not one of those. I told you that from the jump. He busting.
I think that's all of them.
Look, man, I keep the iron on me. I love the iron.
We're just getting a taste of them.
I love the iron, man. Bro, what is this dead skin on my lip? Alright, so, yep. Hey, baby, that's easy.
Drop ship? Correct.
Get that like that.
X6V to be exact.
What is he talking about?
Also known as
Bro, I just be dodging stuff that be shooting me. Oh, we can pull up this way. We need to hop behind these rocks. Yep, thank you. Alright, now the only thing is now, where the hell do we go? 'Cause I'm not fighting this nigga. Bro, do I have to fight this nigga?
Yeah.
Wow. I have to fight him. How am I gonna do that? Oh my. Bro. Wait, aim. Nigga. Bro, this is bad. These freaking rocks are in my way. Hold on. Let me see. Look, I never get pressured. Bro, there's no way. Ah. Help me. Bro, there has to be another way. I won't let him take me. Wait till his bullet's done. Yep. You think I'm going that way? Hey, watch me clutch up. Watch me clutch up. I do this all the time. In 3v1 situations. Look, my feet hot. My feet hot. My palms are sweaty. Beat me, mom. Alright. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. I don't even know where the freak he came from. Like, he sounded like he was shooting me before I even seen. Side, hold L2 for side hit fire. Side step hit fire. Oh, I didn't know that. Nigga, what? Where's the side step hit fire? Bruh, I don't see any sidestep hit fire. He's talking about aiming? What? Bro, I'm gonna end the vid. If I die again, I'm ending the vid. You want me to do that? That seems like it's working. Okay. No, the hell it's not. Yep, back to the 360 shoots. Yep. This is the most fuego thing I ever did. This nigga hitting me still. Nobody ever hits me on that. Get creative. Look, I know what to do, bro. I know what to do. Look, he sucks. Bro, shut up, bro. I got this. I've been playing this whole time. Like, I'm not even playing for real, bro. I'm not.
Dropship? Correct. Model X6Z to be exact.
Just imagining, like, if somebody new came. It's like, bro, what is his problem? Alright, we got it. Talking about the dropship of death. It's gonna take a lot more than death to stop me, baby. Oh, double jump! I didn't even think. Look, man, eyes closed. Alright. Maybe not. Oh, he trying to. Look, he's scared. He's scared at this point. Look. Look at what I'm doing to him. I'm making a fool out of him. Stop playing on me, man. Like, bro, I'm cut like that. I needed like 4 or 5 tries, but I'm cut. Bro, if you don't take that dang ammo, bro. Easy money. And it's only level 1, bro. So I'm pretty. I can level up my own. Why can't I do this no more? Oh, those are grenades. I didn't even think of that. Well, hey, drop it on them. Well, wait. Let's see if they get close enough. 2 for 1. It didn't hit. It didn't kill both of them, but it hit them.
Are you okay?
Fine, kid, but I ain't opening up till the coast.
I didn't know.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
Hey, we too late right now. Wait, what's over here? Alright.
Oh my God.
Alright. You know what? This vid, I've been recording for about 40 minutes. I think this is a good place to stop, bro. We're gonna wrap this up, man. We're gonna be right back, though. Like tomorrow. I got another game that I want to play. It looked kind of weird. I ain't watched no videos on it. It just dropped, so this is probably like the most newest game I've ever played, and gonna be recording. But I really want to get this video up. So yeah. With that being said, it's your boy Zay Bizarre. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you're new, leave a like, subscribe, whatever the case may be. Share. You know what I'm saying? Mess with a nigga. But with all that being said, man, I really appreciate y'all if y'all stuck. I really appreciate y'all if y'all stuck here for this long. Yeah, we out.